Emmanuel, can you share your screen of what you've done so far? Or Gamba, can you do so?
Okay.
Yeah. Emmanuel, prepare. Ah, nice. Okay. Good. Capacitor. Okay. Can you change the colors to look blue of the lines and something like that? Okay. Control. Yeah. You click there, properties there, change it to blue. The other one also. Okay. And then let the capacitor C symbol not touch the line, the wire. Drag it, the C, let it not, yes. Okay. Yes, yeah. Good. Ah, okay. Where are others? Okay. Okay, you can stop sharing. Mm-hmm. Emmanuel, do you want to share now?
Yeah, I lost connection temporarily.
Okay.
I can share. You can share.
Yes, you can share now. Okay, let's continue. Okay, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Hello, guys. Can you screen? You can
Yeah.
unmute. You can unmute. Just unmute if you are not in a noisy place. Unmute so that you speak and we.
So here's my then here's the capacitor.
Yes,
Then here's the second resistor type. I didn't remove the indicators.
you didn't remove the
The designators.
the designators. Okay. You can remove them. Click on the line and then you remove them. Okay. Okay. Look at this capacitor. Can you see? So you click on
The
this
light
line.
bulb.
You can see. You can click on the line. Let me just put a line. If I put a line like this, then when you click on it, anywhere where it is, then you come to the designator, you hide them. Okay? Have you seen that?
Yeah.
So this one is it a polarized or an unpolarized capacitor? Do you know the difference between polarized? Polarized has got the polarities. Okay? So let's add another one. Polarized capacitor. Do you know the difference? Polarized capacitor has plus and minus, has the negative and positive terminals. Okay, guys? We are going to
Yeah.
yeah, we are going to see the difference. Okay, so what we want to learn here is you can be able to do you can copy. Like for example, we already had this. So you just copy this and then you control C. And then when we come to polarized, because polarized they are similar, you control V or you come here and paste. Can you be able to see that?
Yeah.
Yes. And then we are going to put plus. Can put a plus like that. Then you choose another line. Okay. And you can drag this up. Okay. Can drag it to make it somehow in the center. Should not be too long. Can you be able to see that? Everyone, can you see that?
Plus label.
Yeah.
That's a plus, okay? And then you also make it blue. And then you copy this and then you paste this side. It's minus, isn't it? Okay. And then normally, which one is having a curve inside, curving like this? Is it the plus or the minus? So you put an arc. And then this arc you can play with it. You can play around with the arc. That is how we do it. Mm, you can increase the radius. Let me say 60. Mm, mm. Doesn't give us the way I want it. Okay. In polarized capacitor, which one should be the which one should have the, if it refuses, then you come here to actually polygon Bezier. I don't know what this is. I think this one will do it better for us. Like that. Delete this other one. I've never known there is a shape called Bezier. Okay. Can you be able to see that? Guys, can you be able to see that?
Yeah.
Yes, it's called the Bezier. You come to learn something. Okay. And then you make it here. You can even make it slightly in the middle. And make sure they are touching. And then to make the color blue. Can you be able to see that? So which one is normally curved?
The negative.
The negative is the one curved, okay? So our drawing is correct. Something like that. You can try to make it look better than mine. Okay, you can try to curve it. I think the best way is to curve it so that it reaches a common place. Like if it reaches here, this other one also make it. Okay, that will work. Something like that. Are we together?
Yes.
Yeah, you can make it better. Can make it way better than mine. But that will work. So you include the plus and minus. And if you make a mistake, you press escape and then undo. And then you can always select everything and make it somehow at the center. And then you save your work. Make sure you save your work always so that you don't lose whatever you've done. So that is the polarized capacitor. Can even 100 microfarad. Point. So when we will be doing the schematic, you will change those values. You will just copy it and then you change them. Are we together? And you can add the description. You say there 0.1 microfarad. So maybe or 8 or 5, we will know what this is. Polarized capacitor. No, this is called set. This is polarized. Polarized capacitor. So that is how you add the description here. I want so now as a I want you to put the description of this resistors. Title block, we wrote something. Headers. Headers is easy. Mm, I already had the drawing for not this. So let's start with a simple one, header. Can you see this header? Can you see the header?
Yeah.
There are
Follow that is the.
there are 20. Okay?
Okay.
There are 20. These writings are not clear, but we are going to see where we are going to put them. We are just going to put the generic numbers 20 and then there are 2. So you go back to your Altium, you click headers, and then here is simple. You put this. So normally if you want to start from 1, you want to start from here, you click on this, you can click on this and then you give it a designator 1 and then this other one also 1. Can you be able to see that? Can you be able to see that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and then to rotate it, I told you you click on it, and then you rotate it. Come here, they rotate it so that it looks far the other way, so that the one is inside the diagram, like that. And then the length you can decide to change if you want. 200 isn't bad. And then, so when you click on this, so you can copy, Control C, and then you paste. You can paste like that. Like that. There are several ways to do it. Okay. But this one, because we are using a different, I want us to use a different grid. So you say G. And then this grid visibility is not, you use a grid of 50 so that they snap. So they snap like that, like that. Can you see?
Yes.
Can you see? Can you see?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And then we need to, if you create another one here, and then you change this to 1. So normally when you start from 1 on top, then it will automatically increase to 2. Okay. So okay, it's still going to 21, but you can copy them. Let me just copy. Mm, Let me just start 21. So we are using 2, 2, 23, 25, 26. Okay. You can highlight those. You can bring them down here like that. So this one, let us start from 1, 1, and this other one, 2, 2, like that. 1, 2. Make sure you are very careful. This one is 3. Then this other one is 4. There are shortcuts that you will learn how to create what is called an array. 5. We are going to learn that. 5. Can you see that? Can you see? Everyone, can you see? I told you to unmute, then you give me response.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Okay. 7. So I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 9, up to 20. Are we together? And remember, this is the headers. So I need to create what is called a rectangle. So here I come and create what is called a rectangle. like this. Can you see that? Should be this side. There is something. Can you see?
Yeah.
I don't know why these ones are not. Because it should show the numbers. I don't know why it's not showing. You can make it, don't make it too thick, but let it
I think if you make it
touch the thing like that. Don't make it too thick. Okay. I don't know why it's not showing the
try to put it transparent.
transparent. Okay. Yes. Okay, guys?
I have a question.
Yes.
Oh, I don't understand how you change, how you are changing that designator and comment for every line, because in uh, the property window on my side, it's just for the line shape and its size. Yeah.
So create a line. In your see we have created one like this. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So you click on it. You must click on it first.
Yes. Yes. I've clicked on it.
So click on it and then come down here to what do you designator you want to change the length to something. You want to change the length.
This is a
Or you want
pin.
to
It's not a line.
it's the pin.
Okay. Oh, that's where I was.
Then you can disable those. It's a pin. It's a pin, not a line. It's a pin. This pin, eh? Here. Place pin. Have you seen it now?
Yeah, I was using lines. Okay.
Ah,
Yeah.
no, no. Okay, let's make that correction. So this is a header. And then the header, you just give it a string there, like H something. Just H, capital H, capital H. Are we together, guys?
Yeah, together.
Okay. Then you save. Then you save. Okay. So that's the header. So the headers are the same. This and this, they are 1 to 20. They are the same. Okay. Before we go to the main board, I want us to build a part. Can you be able to see this? Can you be able to see this?
Yeah.
This one should be easy, isn't it? It's one. It's easy, right? It has got 5 pins. Can you see 5 pins? One,
Uh-huh.
2, 3, 4, 5. So go there, go create. The part number is it's a voltage regulator. Um, I will find the exact name. Let's just call it regulator. Okay. Add, and then we say regulator. voltage, actually, voltage regulator. Or you can even say 3.3 volts voltage regulator. Okay. And then you start with you can decide to start whichever, but normally pens is better. So this one I want you can press, this to rotate. You can press enter and not enter. How do you call this?
Space bar.
Space bar. Yes, you can press space bar to rotate it. Okay, like that, space bar. So and then when you press enter, there is how when you press, but some of these things are normally in other software, but they are not here. Okay, so when you come to, okay, let's just put them like that. And then you have another one this side. You press space bar, then zitakuwa mbili, they will be two. This side one, and then this side two. Can you be able to see that?
Yeah.
Yes, this side has three, and this side has two. And then you put the rectangle. You make the rectangle. Okay. And then the rectangle, you make it cover all the way. Make it go slightly up. And we learned you make it transparent. Can you see that? Then they are too long. Sindio? They are too long. Make the size here to be 200. They are too long, so make 200. Can you see that? Can you see? Everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
Transparent.
Yes.
Is there a specific spacing between the pins?
No specific spacing, but you make them neat. You make it look like unaweza weka hiyo, so that
Oh,
this one looks, yeah.
ah,
So that even this one, you can even decide to make it there, but now make it try to look uniform, okay? Are we together?
okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, and then the pins, there is pins 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 5. So you come here. From here, not the designator, not the name, but the designator. Then here is 1. Unaona the one which is outside. Okay?
Okay, yes.
Then is 2. The designator is 1, 2,
Mm.
then 3, then 4 is down here. 4, and then 5 is the one which is on top. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then we have got V out ground enable as the name. This other one, so you start this one, the name, capital, V out. Can you see that? V out. And then ground is GND. And then enable is This other one, this one, enable is en. En. Okay, so if you see it's going to interfere with this other one, what you do is you extend this one. Mnaona hiyo? Can you see it? Can
Oh
you see?
yeah, you expanded the
Yes.
center rectangle.
Yeah. Okay. And then we have V in, and then this other one is LP. I think LP. V in. This other one is V in. V in, the power voltage, and then LP. It's LP, I think. Something like that. I don't know whether it's LP or I will look for a clearer schematic. This one, these other ones are not so clear. Okay, guys? Have you
Yeah.
seen it?
Yes, yeah. Okay.
Yes, it is
Yeah.
it is L EP. I think EP, I think. Can you just use EP? This one, EP. It's not clear. I'll look for a clearer schematic and share. Okay, and then you save your work. Save. And I told you that it's good to put it somehow in the center so you can copy the whole of this. Copy it so that you make it somehow at the center. And then this is you place U. It's a micro, it's an IC, and then the designator there is U, capital U. Are we together, guys? Everyone? Are you together? Are you together?
Yeah.
Yes. So I want you to go on and continue building the other ones. And so we are going to see in the schematic here, when we come here and then we look for components, we are going to see our parts. Can you see our parts? Can you see the header? Okay. Can you see?
Yeah, that's it.
Can you see it? And we have two headers. And you can rotate. Then you can have the polarized capacitors. Can you see? Guys, can you see them?
I'm not seeing mine.
Okay. You did you include the library? The library.
How?
The libraries. Okay, share your screen. So everyone, I want you to I want you to reach here so that you can be able to have your components. Can you be able to see my components? Okay, share yours. Share and we have 5 minutes. So you need to include that library. So go to the left hand side or right hand side. I think right hand side where there is the panel. Where there is panel, I look for components. Click up components. Okay, so the libraries. So go up there. Go to libraries. Click on the near the funnel. There is the up before. Click on the down arrow pointing down. No, not that one. The next down one. Yeah, hapo. Look for, is there file based? Oh, okay, click the three lines. Okay, gamba. Ndio hiyo. Haya. So drag them. Drag the ones which we have designed. Good. Drag resistors. STM we have not designed. Yeah, good. Capacitor. Good. Resistor type 2. Voltage regulator. Are we together? Yeah. Okay, guys. Have you seen that? Hello, guys. Have you seen that?
Yes.
Yes. So that